Students, in this video we will discuss exercise 1.2 class 11 sets chapter 1. In this video we will discuss about various types of set. Question number 1 start karte hain. Which of the following are examples of null set? Null set we all know that is an empty set, a wide set you may say, that has no element. A set which has no element is called null set. First part है question first का, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2 and he is asking for odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Odd, they can't be odd if they are divisible by 2, then it is impossible to find those type of numbers. So this set is empty set. The set is empty set. There is no element in this set. Or you may write it like this. Or phi. If phi represents null set. Yes, it is null set. Yes, it is null set. Can be represented in two ways. Next है हमारा example. Set of even prime numbers. Yes, even prime number is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. This set has an element. This set has an element that is 2. So this is not wide set or null set. It is no. Because 2 is even prime. 2 is even prime. And set can be written as 2 as like this. This set has 2 as the element. Third part, set of all x such that x is natural number less than 5 greater than 7. What is the set? A set of all x such that x is a natural number. We all know about the natural numbers, but x is less than 5 and greater than 7. There is no possibility of such type of number. A natural number less than 5 and greater than 7, that is not possible. It is, yes, it is null set. Yes, ये हमारा कैसा है? Null set है. Fourth part करते हैं. Set of all y such that y is common point to any two parallel lines. Y is common point to any two parallel lines. If the lines are parallel, they have no common point. And what is the set of all y such that y is common point to any parallel line, any two parallel lines? Parallel lines में हमारा कोई point common नहीं होता. This is also null set. Yes, it is null set. Question number 2 करते हैं. Question number 2. Which of the following are finite or infinite sets? Finite set if we can count the element of the set, or infinite set if we are unable to count number of element of the set. First part है question 2 का, set of months of a year. We all know there are 12 months of a year. So we can easily count. Yes, it is finite. It is finite set. First part कैसा है? Finite set है ये. Second part 1, 2, 3 and that goes on. 1, 2, 3 represents for the natural number and it goes to infinity. So this is the set of natural numbers and natural numbers are infinite. That is infinite set. Infinite set. We cannot count all natural numbers. We cannot count. Counting goes on. It will not come to an end. So that's why it is 1, 2, 3 goes to infinity. So that's why it is infinite set. Third, 1, 2, 3, again same type of set up to 9900. Yes, we can easily count it. They are natural numbers from 1 to 100. We can easily count it. If we count the element of the set, that is finite set. It is finite set. Finite set. Fourth part, set of positive integers. Set of positives. There are infinitely positive integers greater than 100. Yes, greater than 100. We cannot write all the integers greater than 100. So it is infinite set. This is infinite set. Next, last part of the question number 2, the set of prime numbers less than 99. Prime numbers are starting from 2 3 and goes to infinity, but he has given the restriction less than 99, less than 9, and we can easily count the elements. So this is finite set. This is finite set. अब करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Question number 3. State whether each of the following are finite is or infinite. Following set is finite or infinite. We have to tell which of the following set is finite and which of the following set is infinite. Finite set, if we can count the number of elements of the set. Infinite set, if we are unable to count number of elements of the set. First part of question 3 का set of lines parallel to x-axis. If you make the coordinates like this is x positive, x negative, y positive, y negative. We can draw infinitely many lines that are parallel to x-axis like this. There are infinitely many lines. उनके बीच में ही बहुत सारी हो सकती है. Infinitely many lines. So this set is infinite set. This is infinite set. First कैसा पार्ट है हमारा? Infinite. Second में क्या दे रखा है हमें? Second part, the set of letters in English alphabet. We know that there are 26 alphabet. So there is finite set. कैसा है ये? Finite set. This is infinite set. First वाला. Second part is finite set. Third, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Set of numbers which are multiple of 5. There are infinite numbers which are multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and goes to infinity. So we can write infinitely many. 5, 10, 15, 20 and they goes on. So this is infinite set. Infinite set. Fourth part, the set of animals living on the earth. Yes, they are countable. Countable है तो कैसा हो जाएगा? Finite set. Finite set. We can count the animals living on the earth. The set of circles passing through origin. This is the origin. We can make infinitely many circles like this. Another, यहाँ से फिर से infinitely many which passes through. They are the circles having center on x-axis. ऐसे भी हो सकता है ये. Passing this circle also passing through the origin. So there are infinitely many. इधर से भी कर सकते हैं. So there are infinitely. So that is infinite set. This is infinite set. Next question करते हैं. Question number 4. Question number 4. In the following set, state whether A equal to B. We are given with the two sets, set A and set B, and we have to tell either they are equal or not equal. For the equal sets, what is the condition? If two sets are equal, then every element of first set must be an element of second set, and every element of second set must be an element of first set. Let's check them out. First set A दे रखा हमें. इसका एलिमेंट है A, B, C, D. Let's check. A, इसमें भी A, ये रहा. A इसमें भी है. B, इसमें भी है. C, इसमें भी है. D, इसमें भी है. अब इसके एलिमेंट चेक करते हैं. A, इसमें भी है. B भी है. C, D. तो every element of set A is also an element of set B. Every element of set B is also an element of set A. They are equal, yes. Because every element of set A is also element of set B, and every element of set B is also element of set A. So that's why they are equal sets. A equal to B है इसमें. A equal to B. अब करते हैं सेकंड पार्ट. क्वेश्चन 4 का सेकंड पार्ट. क्वेश्चन 3 को मिटा लेते हैं ऊपर से. दैट वी हैव डन. क्वेश्चन 4. 4 में क्या दे रखा है का सेकंड पार्ट देखते हैं। ए सेट में हमारे पास है 4, 8, 12, 16 और सेट बी में है हमारे पास 8, 4, 16, 18, 8, 4, 16, 18. Let's check if all the elements of set A are the elements of set B or not. 4 इसमें भी है, इसमें भी, yes, 4 is there. 8 there and there 8 is there. 12 सेट A में तो है बट सेट B में नहीं है, तो every element of set A is not the element of set B, therefore they are not equal. तो यहाँ क्या कहेंगे हम, A not equal to B because every element of set A is not element of set B and वाइस वर्सा चेक करें तो 16 इसमें है, इसमें 18 B में तो है मगर A में नहीं है. Every element of set B is not element of set A, so that's why they are not equal. क्वेश्चन थर्ड करते हैं, सॉरी फोर्थ का थर्ड पार्ट करते हैं हम. थर्ड पार्ट ए में दे रखे हमें 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 एंड बी क्या है हमारा, बी इज सेट ऑफ ऑल एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज पॉजिटिव इंटीजर लेस देन इक्वल टू 10. एक्स क्या है हमारा, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर लेस देन इक्वल टू 10. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 goes to infinity, but they are less than 10 and even. X is even positive integer less than equal to 10. X is even positive integer less than equal to 10. तो इसको रोस्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. सेट ऑफ ऑल x is even positive integer less than equal to 10. They are the elements. Now check. 2 is there, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, they are equal. Yes. A is equal to B because every element of set A is also an element of set B and every element of set B is also an element of set A. A के सभी एलिमेंट B के मेंबर हैं, B के सभी एलिमेंट A के मेंबर हैं. That's why they are equal. तो फर्स्ट हो गया, सेकेंड, थर्ड. फोर्थ करते हम. फोर्थ का फोर्थ पार्ट में क्या हमारा, सेट A is set of all x. A is set of all x such that x is multiple of 10. मल्टीपल ऑफ 10 कौन से हो जाएंगे, सेट ए को रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. 10, 20, 30, 40 and goes to infinity. There are infinite members in this set, so this is infinite set, but we have to check either A equal to B. B हमारा कौन सा है, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Let's check the statement. Yes, multiple of 10 ही है, इनफाइनाइट है, एक फाइनाइट है. एक तो वैसे इनफाइनाइट सेट, एक फाइनाइट सेट इक्वल हो भी नहीं सकते. A not equal to B because every element of set A, that is like we have to check 40 is in A but not in B, is not element of set B, and every element of set B like 15, 25 is not element of set A. So that's why they are not equal. A not equal to B. Next is question number 5. Now question number 5. Are the following pairs of sets are equal? Give reasons. We have to tell, we are given with the two sets, set A and set B. We have to tell either they are equal. If they are equal, we have to give reasons. If they are not equal, we have to give reasons. Set A is in roster form. It is very much clear. It has two elements, 2 and 3. Set B is of all x such that x is solution of the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. B is set of all x such that x is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We will find the solution of this equation first. पहले इस इक्वेशन के सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं. क्या आएगा? x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. तो x we will take out common from first two terms, x plus 3, last two term में से plus 2 common निकाल दिया, x plus 3 equal to 0, x plus 3, x plus 2 equal to 0. तो either x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3 or x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So we get solutions are minus 2, minus 3. Solutions are minus 2, minus 3. तो B में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट आए? B is set of all x such that x is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 and solutions are minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. Now check it out. A में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट है? 2 and 3. B में minus 2 and minus 3. No. A not equal to B because every element of set A is not element of set B. A के सभी एलिमेंट B सेट के मेंबर नहीं हैं and every element of set B is not element of set A. और जो B के में एलिमेंट है वो A के एलिमेंट नहीं है, A के एलिमेंट है वो B के एलिमेंट नहीं है. That's why they are not equal. करते हैं सेकंड पार्ट. What is set A? सेट A में दे रखा है हमें कि set of all x such that x is a letter in the word wolf. X is a letter in the word follow. A में follow दे रखे है. A is set of all x such that x is a letter in the word follow. तो एक और रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. क्या क्या लिखेंगे? F लिख दिया, O लिख दिया, फिर आया L को भी लिख देंगे, फिर L आया, L भी है रिटन अर्लियर ऑलरेडी, O भी ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है, W W को भी लिख देंगे. अब चेक करते हैं F रिटर्न O दैट्स यस L O W यस. अब करते हैं सेट B को रोस्टर फॉर्म में. B क्या है? B is set of all x. B is set of all x such that x is letter in the word wolf. wolf को भी सभी लेटर्स अलग अलग करके लिखेंगे और रोस्टर फॉर्म में W O L F. नाउ चेक. F A में है, B में भी है, O A में भी है, B में भी है, L A में भी है, B में भी है, W A में भी है और B में भी है. अब B के चेक करते हैं. W yes there is W, O is there, L is there, F is there. तो क्या कहेंगे? Here A is yes A is equal to B because every element of set A is element of set B every element of set A is also an element of set B, and every element of set A is element of set B is also element of A. Every element of set A element of B, every element of B is element of A, so that's why they are equal. A and set B are equal here. अब करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Yes, question number 6. From the sets given below, select the equal sets. We are given with some sets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 8 sets are given and we have to select equal sets. Let's check out. A में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट है? 2, 4, 8, 12. किसी और में भी हैं सारे के सारे एलिमेंट? चेक इट आउट. B में नहीं है. C, D, नो. A किसी के इक्वल नहीं है. अब B देखते हैं. B इसके नीचे देखेंगे. B में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट है? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B A के इक्वल तो है नहीं है. वी हैव चेक्ड. तो नीचे देखते हैं. C में कौन से? 4, 8, 12. C नहीं है. D 1, 1 is there. 2, 2 is there. 3, 3 is there. 4, 4. Yes. B is equal to D. B and D are equal. फर्स्ट पेयर तो ये हो गया हमारा. B and D are equal. बिकॉज D के से भी एलिमेंट B में है, B के से भी एलिमेंट D में है. नेक्स्ट C 4, 8, 12, 14. नीचे और किसी में नहीं है. D इज इक्वल विद B. D का और E का पेयर हो गया. D से नीचे देखते हैं. यस, कोई नहीं है. E -1, 1. -1, 1. यस, हियर इज -1, 1. G में है. देखो -1 इज देयर. 1 इज देयर. -1 G का एलिमेंट है, B का E का भी एलिमेंट है. 1 G का एलिमेंट है, E का भी एलिमेंट है. तो दूसरा पेयर हो गया हमारे पास E एंड G. सेट E इक्वल टू सेट G. और आगे चेक करते हैं. F 0A और किसी में नहीं है. G इक्वल हो गया E. नीचे किसी H किसी के इक्वल नहीं. यस, देयर आर 2 सेट्स. 2 pairs of set B equal to D and E equal to G. That's it for exercise 1.2.